Good morning, everyone. I'm April Thomas, and I'm here to share with you all the weekly announcement. So let's go ahead and take a look at that as I share my screen. Okay, we're going to start off with our weekly announcement today, and we're going to touch on these few topics: assignment feedback, housekeeping, labs, and then opportunities. So, for your announcement, it's just again letting you know who I am. I'm April Thomas, and I'm the co teacher in this experience. And you can contact me at atom225 at uncc.edu. And this announcement will be sent to you guys every Wednesday with Dr. Whittingham's input. Your submissions for the week of 2021. You did a great job on your assignments. Also, when you upload your videos, make sure that the link works. You can upload to our media gallery. Thank you, Robin, for that. And let's take a quick look at it. Right now, I'm using Safari. So as you go into our course, you can scroll down to where it says media gallery. If I happen to use my Google Chrome, it'll show, but right now I'm in Safari. So it'll have the information there for you once you click onto media gallery and you can upload there. So thank you for letting me know that that's an option for us in our course. Then also, you want to provide a link that's going to allow me and Dr. Whittingham to access your assignment. So in the future, make sure you find a place that you can upload your videos so that we can have access to them, and then also check them or have someone else to check that video as well. Your phonological awareness assignments were really nice this week, as I said before, and I really want you all to think about phonological awareness or phonemic awareness as an opportunity to use auditory or oral instruction. I know many of you all wanted to use words, or you did use words and pictures. Sometimes you can get the job done with just using your voice and your hands. For example, if I wanted to do compound words, and I noticed that many of you all chose to use compound words, if you want to do cupcake, you could say to the students, we're going to blend two words together. See, I don't have any pictures. We're going to blend two words together, and the first word is cup, and you can say cup with one hand, and then on the other hand, you can say cake, and just bring it together. It makes cupcake. Or you can say cup, cake, together, cupcake, like that. Any type of way that you can eliminate having materials that will provide text or some type of picture. But I know it's a little bit easier to think about it that way. But whenever I provide a phonological awareness lesson or phonemic awareness lesson, I always think about having my hands behind my back. I'm showing up to the table. I'm not having any other props. I may have a puppet or things like that, but usually I rely on just using my voice and my hands, or maybe some sliding chips and things like that. So that's something to consider when you are creating your phonological awareness assignments. Then also, it's okay to rehearse your presentation. I know sometimes we're ready to, go ahead and shoot, but it's pretty good to just go ahead and take that opportunity to rehearse. Rehearsal is okay. All right, so grading and submissions, we talked about this last week. Remember, that is a 10% deduction for each grade, each day that the assignment is late. And also non-quiz assignments are eligible for submission within 1 week of original submission date. You have the information to contact me. And then also, I want to talk about number 6. If it says, if you resubmit an assignment, make sure that you change the color of the text that you plan to add. So for example, all of this is black. That means that's the original text. But if I'm doing a resubmission, I will want to change the color of the text so it's easier for the instructor to see that you've added what you want them to grade versus everything being black and it can't be found. You can change the text color, or you can also highlight. So either one of those work. All right, so next week we have labs. Just a reminder that it's one 90-minute evening lab session on April 12th, 13th, or 14th. And this is for your DSI Part 2 lesson plan. Make sure you sign up using the Sign Up Genius that have available for you. Then also you can go to the Zoom link To access the small group lab meeting, you will record your teaching demonstration. So make sure that you're prepared to record that. Either we can sometimes we record it in Zoom, but that has everyone's um, demonstration on there. So you may want to find a way to record yourself so that you can go back and write up that reflection, because a reflection will be due also. So you can go right back to the April 5th announcement to see exactly what those details are. But I just want to remind you guys that you will be recording your teaching demonstration, and also you'll complete a reflection, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Um, our next one is opportunities. So we have an opportunity with Freedom School Partners, and Freedom School Partners, they are hiring for the summer, and I'm going to go to their page. They're actually hiring for the servant leader, and that's the classroom teacher position. Then the site administrative intern, and that is the administrative personnel. So pretty much the person who works in the office. And then if a teacher is absent, or if there isn't a lot of work for you to do in the office that day, they'll ask you to be prepared to go to the classroom to help classroom teachers out, or maybe teach for the day. So let's take a look at the careers section of Freedom School Partners. And they have seasonal opportunities here, there's summer opportunities. And I also will have this linked in our main message in Canvas so that you can click on these links as well. Okay. So that's our first opportunity, and I would take advantage of that. And then the second opportunity we have, it's a message from Senegal Alfred Mabry, the senior policy analyst at the Hunt Institute. And basically, I am reaching out to inform you that the John Belk Impact Fellowship application is live. So we are now accepting students' applications for our second cohort of future North Carolina educational justice leaders. And they have a fellowship opportunity and a social media kit. So I have that open as well. And the link will be in our announcement so that you can go back and take a look there. So here's the opportunity, read through it, see if it's something that interests you. And then also the social media pack is available for you as well. So I want to thank you guys for submitting your work this week. And this is our week 2 assignment review. Thank you so much. Have a great week and a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Bye.